Apple appears to be internally testing the iOS 17.2.1 update for the iPhone, based on evidence of the software and analytics articles on our website this week. Our logs revealed multiple versions of iOS 17 before Apple released them, including iOS 17.0.3, iOS 17.1.1, and iOS 17.1.2. iOS 17.2.1 will likely be a minor update with fixed bugs and/or security vulnerabilities. After the release of iOS 17.2 last week, some users complained about a bug that caused the Messages app to disappear when rearranging app icons on the home screen, but that's not the case. It remains unclear whether iOS 17.2.1 will address the issue. With so many holidays in the next few weeks, it's possible that iOS 17.2.1 won't be released until next month, although updates could be rushed if there are important fixes. For the forecast, there was no iOS 16.2.1 update, but Apple released iOS 15 in mid-February 2022 with HomeKit security fixes. 2.1 published. iOS 17.2.1 will be a standby as Apple continues to test the massive iOS 17.3 update, which features a new stolen device protection security feature and re-enables the ability to create Apple Music collaborative music.